Hey guys, so if you want to see a budget-friendly unit that you can just literally plop on and go in like a minute, 2 minutes, make sure you stay tuned to this video. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl ShaySkyler and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby. So today's video is sponsored by Headwrapbabe. They sent me a side ponytail headband wig. This unit is synthetic, but it is budget friendly. It is only $30.99. This is how the unit looks, and she comes like this because it is an easy install. The entire unit goes over your head. So as you can see, this is the construction of the wig. It comes with this headband, but they also did send me an additional headband. And then you have the adjustable strap that's on the headband for you to tighten it. And then this is how it looks inside of the unit. So this video is going to be really quick. All I'm going to do is take this unit off, and then I'm going to place that one on. And this is their side ponytail unit. I feel like you can wear it in a regular ponytail as well. So have the thing here. And I can use my scrunchie and just tighten her up. Okay, so I want to show y'all. I just put her on, and then I'm just going to tighten her here. And flip this under. Alright, so you have nothing showing. All I'm going to do is just take my scrunchie, okay? And then I'm just going to put her in a ponytail. Like a little high puff ponytail. Alright, guys, and this is what we have. And this is a little bang here. Get close to y'all so y'all can see the hair. Now, like I said, it is synthetic, but it is only $30. So it's not human. So this is her to the middle, and then this is her for a side pony. And I like this unit. This is very quick. Like if you have like no way to do your hair, like you don't know what to do with your natural hair, this is really cute and really quick. Y'all, I said I wasn't gonna make this video long, and I just want to show y'all how she looks in like a little bun as well, like a little messy bun. Okay, with the bang, okay, with no leave out. So I am loving her. So let me know if you're feeling this unit. Again, she is only $30.99. Shipping was very, very fast. Let me know if you're feeling this unit. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also make sure that you have and enjoy your holiday season. This is Vlogmas video. I don't know, but it's just a part of the Vlogmas series, okay? Budget friendly wigs to get you right. Love you guys so much. Bye.